Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2014 XTS. The Cadillac XTS will have every kind of feature you can think of. It comes with a spacious high-tech cabin and packed with lots of safety features. It is a full-size luxury cruiser, a pleasant ride for any Caddy owner, and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: remote engine start, stability control, traction control, cruise control, airbags, front knee, compass, trip odometer, child safety locks, clock, heated steering wheel. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.